In this lesson, we'll be talking about how to find the range of a rational function using algebraic method. Please watch out for our other videos on how to solve the range of a function using graphical method. So, given that our f of x is equal x plus 2 all over x minus 2, now find the range of the function. Solution. So let's start by solving the function in terms of y. We have that our y will give us equal x plus 2 all over x minus 2. Now if we cross multiply, we are going to have that our y multiply x minus 2 will be equal x plus 2. If we expand this, we are going to have that our yx minus 2y will give us x plus 2. So what do we do from here? We collect like terms. We are going to have that our yx, and this crosses over to the other side of the equation. It becomes negative because it's plus here. So we are going to have minus x equal 2, and this crosses over, minus 2y crosses over, it becomes plus 2y plus 2y. So if we have this, we can factor out x here and factor out 2 here. X is common here and 2 is common here. So we can have x in y minus 1, because if you expand this, you still have yx minus x. 2x minus multiply y will give us yx, and x multiply 1 will give us x. So our expansion is correct. The same thing, we factor out 2 from the right side of the equation. We are going to have 2 in 1. That's 2 times 1 will give us 2 plus y. 2 multiply y will give us 2y. If we have this, let's solve in terms of x so that we are able to get the values of y. So we have that our x, for us to solve for x, we have to divide both sides by y minus x, so that y minus 1, sorry, will cancel out. So we are going to have x is equal 2 in 1 plus y all over y minus 1, right? So if we have this, remember one of those rules is that you can divide by 0, meaning for this function not to be undefined, y minus 1. So this implies that our y minus 1 cannot equal 0. And for that to happen, we see for y minus 1 not to be equal 0, y cannot be 1. So this implies that our y cannot equal 1, because if y is 1, the denominator here becomes 0. So having done this, we can see that y will be therefore a set of all real numbers. Y will be a set of all real numbers. Alright, but our y cannot be equal 1. Now if we have this, therefore the range will now be that our y is a set of all real numbers. All right, we can write it in set notation. Y is a set of all real numbers. All right, but our y cannot equal 1.